Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow lion's mane at home. First, you need to prepare your substrate, which is the food source for your mushrooms. Combine 5 cups of hardwood pellets with 1¼ cups of bran. Then, add 6 cups of water and let it soak for about 30 minutes until it becomes a sawdust-like consistency. Transfer this mixture into a mushroom grow bag and sterilize it in a pressure cooker at 15 psi for 2½ hours. This crucial step eliminates contaminants. Finally, let the substrate cool completely for at least 8 hours before proceeding. Now it's time for inoculation and incubation. First, ensure your workspace and hands are thoroughly clean to avoid any contamination. Next, introduce your lion's mane grain spawn to the cooled substrate, aiming for a 5 to 10% spawn rate. Gently mix the spawn evenly throughout the substrate while keeping the bag sealed. Place the inoculated bag in a dark, warm area, maintaining a consistent temperature between 20 and 24 degrees Celsius. The mycelium will colonize the substrate over 2 to 4 weeks during this incubation period. Once your substrate is fully colonized, it's time to induce fruiting. Cut a few small slits, typically 2 to 4 inches long, into the grow bag where you want the mushrooms to emerge. The key here is high humidity. Maintain it between 85 and 95% by misting the area regularly. Ensure good fresh air exchange and provide moderate, indirect light for about 12 hours each day. Keep the fruiting temperature slightly cooler, ideally between 15 and 21 degrees Celsius, to encourage healthy mushroom development. Finally, it's time to harvest your delicious lion's mane mushrooms. Look for clear, well-formed spines that are about 1/4 to 1/2 inch long. The mushroom should feel firm and appear bright white. Avoid any yellowing or browning, which indicates it's past its prime. To harvest, gently grasp the entire mushroom clump at its base and twist it off the block. After your first harvest, you can often get a second flush by rehydrating the block. Simply soak it in cold water for 12 to 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.